Students' main duties must be focused to their study. They should understand the value of time. They must obey their parents, teachers, and elders. They must polite, humble, helpful, and punctual. They should do their study on time. They should attending classes on time and regularly. Students must follow the discipline, rules, and regulations. They learn many new things which are helpful in future. They should complete all homework and assignments. Students should try to do hard work on studies. Thanks for watching. Please like my video and subscribe my channel Our Knowledge.